Did you know that most beginners lose money in stocks, not because the market is bad, but because they jump in without a plan? That tiny shift in mindset could change your entire financial future. And today, I'll show you how to start investing in stocks step by step without falling into the traps that make most beginners quit. When people think about stocks, they often imagine quick riches, but the truth is very different. The stock market is more like a marathon than a sprint. If you run too fast at the start, you burn out. But if you pace yourself, the finish line is lasting wealth. The very first step is to understand the basics. A stock is simply a small piece of ownership in a company. If the company grows, your piece grows too. That's the foundation. Next, set your goal. Ask yourself why you're investing. Is it for retirement, education, or simply to grow wealth over time? Your goal will guide every decision you make. Here's the mistake many people make. They put all their money into one hot stock because they saw it on social media. That's like putting all your eggs in one basket and running through a storm. Instead, spread your money across several strong companies, or start with an index fund that follows the market. This way, one company's drop won't crush your portfolio. Another smart move is dollar cost averaging. This means you invest the same amount of money on a regular schedule, no matter what the stock price is. Over time, this smooths out the ups and downs and removes the stress of trying to time the market. Now let's talk about risk. Never invest money you need for rent, food, or emergencies. Only use what we call cold money, money you can leave untouched for years. This keeps you safe and prevents panic selling. Finally, build discipline. Before you buy any stock, make a simple plan. Decide when you'll sell for a profit and when you'll cut losses if things go wrong. Stick to that plan, no matter how emotional the market feels. Here's the truth. Investing in stocks as a beginner doesn't have to be scary or confusing. With clear goals, consistent investing, smart diversification, and strong discipline, you can grow your wealth safely without getting lost. If this is your first step into the world of investing, remember this. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Take that first step with knowledge and confidence, and the future you dream of will thank you.